Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Motorola Moto E22. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Motorola Moto E22 and you are looking for how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click this settings section. After click over settings section, scroll down and you're going to find there something say and display. After click over display, we're going to find there a skin appear just like this. You're going to find there something say wallpaper. After click over wallpaper, we're going to see there is a bunch of wallpaper option. You can choose live wallpaper, photos wallpaper, and style wallpaper. So let me click here live wallpaper and let me see is there any wallpaper. There is no live wallpaper. Let me jump over in this wallpaper and then we're going to see there is only one wallpaper available. If you have a favorite picture you want to set them, you can click here this my photo and it will directly take you to the gallery and then you can easily set any picture. For example, I would like to set this picture, so after choose this you need to click here set wallpaper, and if you decide to set this picture in your home screen you can click here home screen. Now if I go back and let me see is it appear new wallpaper or not. If I go back, we're going to see now my phone is appear new wallpaper. So in this simple way you can easily change wallpaper in your Motorola Moto E22. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.